Hi, my name is Ben. I'm a senior from John Carroll School. For my senior project, I want to make a Chinese food cookbook. I'm creating this project to teach people about real Chinese food and Chinese culture. My essential question is, can I produce a book that will provide people with a knowledge about real Chinese food? Obviously, my location for this project will be the kitchen. I will be cooking all the food in the kitchen by myself. My mentor for this project is my mom. She will teach me and give me advice of cooking Chinese food. Uh, Actually, I got this idea for this project from American students. They always tell me that the Chinese food here in the US is good, but they never taste the real Chinese food. So I'm really interested in teaching them how to cook the real Chinese food. Now, I just want to share a little story about my project. So back to the time I was at home for summer vacation, my mom told me that I have to learn how to cook food. I was surprised when she told me that because she has been cooking food for me for the past 18 years. I asked her why, and she said to me, 10 years from now, she will not be able to cook food for me. Then I start to realize when I have kids, I have to cook food for my kids. So I learned it is important to know how to cook food. After this project, I hope I can have basic skills to live life, and I also hope that my audience can actually learn about Chinese culture, and learn how to cook Chinese food. Thank you very much.